Gicunji kinene kia Akenya no meguthie na mbere na gucaya makimatha motungata ma urigiti kuona thibitari nyingi cia andu kiumbe na cia thirikari na makiria cia gikiro kia level 2 na 3 itirahota kuheana motungata kumana na mathire manene maria nginyagia riu thirikari itari irarikia kuriha. Uthuthuria uria watabanirio mweri wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku ni kiama kiria kirugamiririre thibitari cia andu kiumbe matura-ini na matauni-ini RUPHA yonanitie ti thibitari ciothe ikoretwo ikirihwo kuona hari marihi maria merega kurekererio ma ciringi bilioni 1 thibitari nyingi ciamukirire gicunji o kinini ta uria muikariri giti wa RUPHA Brian Lishenga aratariria.
Actually, the money that provided, the ones who got in October or who got in November, apparently that was not SHA money. That was NHIF or Linda Mama or something. So the first payments of SHA actually started in December.
Nyingi cia thibitari ici ni cikorete igithitangwo na ingi iri hatikaine ya gutahwo kumana na mathire mandu aria makoretwo makimahe motungata matiganite guku imwe igifuta aruti wa wira. Lishenga akiuga ni ihinda thirikari ihothe kuriha mathire maya itegutua mathina ma NHIF ni ma NHIF na ma SHA ni ma SHA na thibitari iria ciarihwo igacabithio niguo ikamenyekana.
If you have 5,000 hospitals as you've paid, it's very interesting to compare them against the 3,900 that are contracted. We'll be very curious to know who are the extra 1,000 that are being paid. The challenge is right on the foot of the presidency and the treasury, and say, if we say that healthcare reforms is the biggest reform thing that this administration has done, put your money where your mouth is.
No na gutuika thirikari ni yataritwo ni ataramu niguo kwarira SHA kigina makiria ni kirabatarania. Lishenga ni ateterithitie no nginyagia thirikari ethukire sekta ya ugima wa mwiri kigina gia kuigana niguo mubango wa urigitani ukinyanire.
If 900 shillings per Kenyan is what you can afford, what you need per year to provide is 45 billion. Today, if the president says we have 17 million Kenyans who are registered, it means that for the next 12 months, we need at least 16.3 billion shillings to provide care for them. I have a question. Does SHA have 16.3 billion shillings to provide care? It is not there.
Niongereire kuga undu uria wacangiire na njira nene gukobobana kwa mubango wa NHIF ni honge cia thirikari irio na thutha wa kurenga aruti wira mbeca cia NHIF itiaheanaga mbeca ici kuri ruhonge ruru. Guku akiendekithia riboti ya kamiti ya mwanya iria yathugunditwo kurora ciigi NHIF na gutigirira SHA ni yarira irekererio.
If ministries, departments and agencies were not paying SHA NHIF deductions, it is likely that they are not paying SHA deductions. The reason why that is happening is because of the opaqueness around that report of the Transition Committee. It is almost as though it is deliberate that not to make it public. We want to know if the reason why SHA is not working is because SHA is using money to settle court awards. If it is using money to pay insurance claims to other companies, make it public. Let us know this is how deep we are in the mess.
Riu wagwetererwo ni kana mathina maria makoretwo magitunga SHA ni megukinya muthia na Akenya makinyirwo ni motungata mategucoka mihuko ta uria thirikari ikoretwo ikimerithiria. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.